Radio Nottingham.
BBC Introducing. Supporting unsigned, undiscovered and under-the-radar musicians across the UK.
This is Curly Jam with Rezzonator doing the Acid remix.
High heels, manicures with some red lipstick. With your girlfriends up in the VIP, looking like a star to fly for me. You got your hair done, nice little outfit, high heels, manicures with some red lipstick. With your girlfriends up in the VIP, looking like a star to fly for me. You got your hair done, nice little outfit, high heels, manicures with some red lipstick. With your girlfriends up in the VIP, looking like a star to fly for me. You got your hair done, nice little outfit, high heels, manicures with some red lipstick. With your girlfriends up in the VIP, looking like a star to fly for me.
Curly Jam, and a track we played on the show a few weeks ago, actually, and then Rezzonator, who is an incredible artist, one of the most played artists of the year, actually, heard that track, loved it as much as we did, and approached Curly Jam, and from it came this Acid remix. So it's Curly Jam, Rezzonator's Acid remix.
It's been resonated.
Duncan Rose on the mix, Rez.
It just almost out of words. It's just incredible, isn't it? He does no wrong. Rezzonator on Facebook, Rezzonator. The most exciting news along with the fact that he's the next in line for a remix is MZ Music. Can't wait for that. But he's working on his first live set of the year.
Is this Curly Jam or Rezzonator
This
we're
is
talking about?
Rezzonator.
Okay.
21st of June at the Chameleon Jam Cafe in Nottingham. Can I just make a note of that
Make a note,
date?
get it in your phone.
We need to be down there.
Definitely.
And dancing.
It's The Beat with Dean Jackson and the Supreme Team. If you'd like to check out more, where do we find Rezzonator online?
Rezzonator, just go Rezzonator.
Yeah, double Z.
Double Z.
And you'll find him there. Same for Curly Jam. It's The Beat with Dean and the team. If you make music and you'd like it aired here, bbc.co.uk/beat, the place to go. Look for the upload.